Hello everyone, so today we're going to take a look at the EVBASE induction style wheel covers for the 19-inch Gemini wheels that come standard already with the base Model Y. In this video we will install them and also do an efficiency test with the wheels that are included versus the EVBASE wheel covers, because I'm curious to see how this may affect the range. Hopefully it won't, but let's keep on going and we will have to find out. And check out the link in the description box below where you can get 15% off of your order. Now we're testing out the original 19-inch Gemini covers that Tesla originally comes with, and we're going to go a mile on the highway at 70 miles per hour just to see the average kilowatt hours that we are averaging per mile, because your kilowatt hour is the energy that the car is using, and that will affect your range. So currently right now we're going exactly 70 miles per hour, and it's kicking in right now at 160 watt hours per mile. I do have the car on autopilot just to make sure that it's a consistent acceleration happening. We are also still keeping our eye right there on the mile, and once it get to the mile, we are going to see exactly where it is. So 1 mile and we are at 188 watt hours per mile. So here are the 19-inch Gemini wheel covers that come standard with the base Model Y, and here are the induction style wheel covers from EVBASE. And whenever you flip it over, as you can see on the original, you have the plastic and also the metal clips that will clip right onto the rim. And let's turn this one over, and as you can see, it's plastic and metal is still in the inside. So they are built very similar to each other, and the feel is almost identical as well. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to take off the wheel cover. The only thing you have to do is just give it a little pull and it pops right off. As you saw on the back here, there are just hooks that it goes right on, and this is disgusting. So let's just gonna wipe this down real quick. So after I wipe the wheel down, I'm gonna go on to get this cover from EVBASE, and the only thing that you really have to do is make sure that where the air hose, you just want to make sure that that's right over where the air pump, and you just knock it right in and it pops right in. Simple as that. Now I can tell you already that this look amazing, but let's go on and put them on the other 4 wheels. Then we're going to go take this out on the road, do a test, and just see how much range and how much energy the car will be using after we put these on. All right, so let's go on and do the other 4 wheels. And one thing that I like about this already is with the original Gemini wheels, the original rim is showing out, so it's easier to get curb rash. This right here is actually covering up your rim. So therefore, if you hit a curb, it will actually do more damage on the cover than it will the rim. And this is real tough, durable plastic. So I'm wondering, if you get rash on here, you can just sand it out, buffer it out, and maybe just take a little paintbrush and paint it over just a little bit. All right, now that we popped on the wheel covers, we're gonna go back out to the interstate, get up to 70 miles per hour. Then we're going to see how much energy the car is using. We're at 70 miles per hour, and we're gonna keep our eyes right here on trip B. Right now we're averaging in at about 373 watt hours per mile, and we are still going. We're just going to do that mile, then we're going to see where we're averaging out at. And at this point we are doing great, and these are the new wheel covers that's on the car right now, and we just hit a mile and we are averaging out at 340. So this is pretty much saying the induction style covers that we received is receiving better mileage than the standard Gemini wheel covers that came with the Tesla, because Tesla is receiving 78.1 kilowatt hours on a complete battery charge, and at the 388 watt hours that we use with the Gemini wheels, that is equating to 201 miles on a complete charge, where the 340 watt hours that we use with the wheel covers, that equates to 229 miles per charge. However, that has many factors. There are many factors at play, so technically they're receiving roughly about the same mileage on both of them. So to answer my question at the beginning, you're really not losing much range if you decide to go with the induction style wheel covers from EVBASE. And remember, you can get 15% off if you decide to go through the link left in the description box. So take advantage of that and check out more videos right here on your screen about all things related to your finances and your Tesla. And I will see you in that video.